Yoga has many benefits, but some of the poses can be difficult or intimidating, especially for beginners. Are you struggling with certain poses? Maybe you're restricted in the backward bends. Or do you have one hip that is more externally rotated? Identifying postural imbalances through yoga will help you identify exactly where and why you hold particular patterns, and more importantly, demonstrate how to overcome them. This unique methodology diagnoses yoga practitioners into 4 postural groups and then prescribes adjustments to release and overcome the musculoskeletal imbalances related to each one, using simple prompts to help restore the pelvis to neutral and improve spinal balance, limb alignment, and breath control. Identifying postural imbalances through yoga includes a quick reference, visual comparison of the 4 body types outlined in 15 different yoga poses. Using over 250 engaging colored diagrams and photos, this innovative scientific interpretation of Ashtanga Yoga is a vital resource for yoga instructors and practitioners of all levels. Get your copy on our website at us.humankinetics.com.